let's learn about the here is the some questions I took that what is that just question words by adding the question words how can we frame the sentences here. I took here totally 6 sentences. Which one is suitable when you are going to ask that something whatever you need? Okay, let's here is the question related to fill in the blanks. Okay, here the first question is dash is your name. Sometimes you don't know that that person name, then you are asking that what is that, what is your name. Right question word is here the what. Okay, then next second one, let's we will see that dash do you live. Here you can ask that where shows that the place. When we are asking about that place, you should use that where. Then the sentence will be where do you live. In Kannada, ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Then next, let's come to the third sentence is dash is your birthday. Then here it is asking about the time. For the purpose of time, you should ask that the WH word is when. When is your birthday? ನಿನ್ನ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬ ಯಾವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Then next, the fourth one is dash did you go. Go means ಹೋಗು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? That is also where. Where did you go? Okay. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ ನೀನು? This is also referring about that place. For that reason, we should use that where WH word. Okay. Let's come to that. The fifth sentence is dash is your bag. Then here is a one bag. Can I ask about that whose bag it is? Or then we will use that which is your bag. ಯಾವುದು which refers that ಯಾವುದು ನಿನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಅಥವಾ ಚೀಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ we are using that which. Then next, the sixth sentence is dash can I help you. Or just you can add that how can I help you. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Just I took here the 6 WH words and sentences. Okay, I hope it is useful to you. Bye, see you in the next video class.